What's up guys, Jake P5 here. So today for the manual swap part, whatever this is, we're gonna do the clutch line install and also try to do the pedals. They're very painful, or at least when I did the manual swap, they're very painful. So I'm gonna try to record them as much as I can. You basically just unbolt them, take them out, put them back in. Sounds really simple, but it takes forever. Because it's just so tight and stuff like that in the engine bay, or sorry, under the steering wheel. So for the clutch line, this is what we're gonna be installing. It's just an OEM clutch line that I got from a part out. I lost the one that came off the V8 swap, so I'm not gonna be using that. That literally bolts up to, let me grab a light. So that bolts up to that that peg right there. So that goes right there, and then it goes up into the engine bay and basically just hangs down. So in the engine bay, basically comes out right down here, and then it runs down and through. Let me get that light again. Down and through that hole right there that the light's on. So it, right where you see that black grommet, goes from there, runs down there, and then it goes into the transmission. And then it goes into the master cylinder right up there, which is where the pedals are. You do have to take the brake booster out, which I'm gonna do as well. So let's get to it. All right, we get the pedals out. Honestly, wasn't even that bad. Here they are over here. So because there wasn't a clutch, there was just so much room to work under there. So there's 3 bolts, 1 right there, and then 2 on the bottom that are the brake booster. So you have to take the brake booster out. This is what it looks like under here. So I've heard that one of the swap guides is a T50 on the end of that, and if you disconnect that, you get a lot more room. So we just gotta slap the new ones in, and then we'll be good. And then I haven't put in the clutch line at all, or not yet. But that was honestly not that bad, and so I'm really optimistic to see how the new ones go in. So let me do a quick comparison. So these are the 2 side by side, and pretty much the only difference. They are a little bit different. You can see like that hole. So it should be pretty easy though. I might see if this fits. Worst case, if this doesn't fit, then I can use, I'll swap over the clutch pedal from this over to here, as well as the brake pedal, and it's pretty easy because this isn't identical, but it's not bad at all. So let's get to it. One thing I'm noticing is the connector for the pedal is this style connector. Well, that just goes directly in there. So wait, yeah. So it looks like this one should fit perfectly on that, so the one in the car should be fine. So let's get it in. All right, we got them in. So took a little longer than I wanted to, but overall went pretty smoothly. So I mean, they're fully in. I haven't wired anything yet, and that's going to be in a future video. But I adjusted the brake pedal, which you just do by twisting that collar right there. Feels really nice. And then the clutch, obviously, since I haven't put the transmission in, that is going to be that. But everything looks great. It seems pretty great. Got the master, or the brake booster, back in place. Got that all back together. It was a little bit finicky, and it only took, the pedals overall took me like 6 hours, which kind of sucks, but it's just so annoying to work under there, and it's just bad. So one other thing is, if you're doing this on an S4, I didn't have to do this on the V8, but the lower bolt, once you take this off, the lower brake booster bolt that looks like that, you can't get to without taking this sway bar off. And then what I do is I use a Torx, so use a Torx bit like this, and then you basically, let's see if I can do this one-handed. So you basically slide, I cannot do this at all. There we go. So you basically use it like this, and then you loosen it. If it's a ratcheting wrench, you use this end. If it's not, then you just put it, like for an example, oh, it doesn't even fit on that. So you basically put it on there, and then just use that to tighten it, because you don't have enough room back here for a ratchet, so it's very annoying. So that's a good tip. And yeah, the pedals are just annoying. There's like no good way to do it. I've heard, I didn't do this, but I heard there's a T50 at the bottom there, and you can take this entire thing out, and it makes it so much easier. But I tried to take it off, and it was tight as hell. So I'm like, whatever, I'll just do it the way that I know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Hopefully it helped a little bit. The pedals are literally the worst part. I'm so happy I'm done with them. Yeah. Wiring is going to be a little bit interesting, but it's literally 3 plugs, reverse, and then the 2 clutch plugs in there. So shouldn't be that bad. I can figure it out. But yeah, engine's going to go in soon, and we'll be good to go. So if you like this, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe to see more of my videos. So, peace.